Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful ECM espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the pressure gauge was always at the 0.5 mark and wasn't getting all the way to full pressure. And what's basically happening is that this pressure gauge was completely clogged, including the little hose that is connected to the boiler itself. So we unclogged that, and once we unclogged it, we found out that the vacuum release valve was leaking once it got to full pressure as well. As you can see, there's some signs of leak and water in there. So we had to replace it. What else we did? Yes, the E61 group head. This one that you see right here. Focus, camera, focus. Oh, I made it worse. Let me pause it. All right, now that I focus the camera. So what was happening is while brewing a shot, once in a while this thing will sneeze. The portafilter will sneeze, and that was basically because the E61 group head, the one that you see right here, this is the group head itself. Come on, focus. There you go. Machine. Perfect. Great. Phone. Whatever, just you win. Basically, as you can see, those things are very worn out. We end up replacing those. These are the ones that you see right here. And yeah, we just clean everything inside, make sure there's no scale buildup anywhere in the machine, and making sure that the lever was actually up. Before I pull the lever, the lever was smooth when you pull the lever. I have a shot right now, so I didn't want to pull it right now. So we're gonna do a test shot. It's gonna be a little messy since we don't have the tray, as you can see. And this one is a bottomless filter, so it's going to be a little bit tricky to actually do an espresso shot with just one hand. Let's see how it plays out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine. I'm using very low coffee. Unfortunately, we don't have very good fresh coffee right now at the moment, so I'm just using very tiny little bit of coffee in there, so hopefully we can get a good shot. So before I do that, let's start with hot water, and as you can see, working perfectly fine, extremely great. Steamer working perfectly fine as well, even though right now the pressure is getting a little bit lower, so we're gonna retest this one once the pressure gets back to 1. And now that our cup is warm, we're gonna do an espresso shot. Like I say, hopefully I pick up the right grind settings, otherwise we're gonna see. And unfortunately I pick up the wrong grind settings, and as you can see, it's just extremely liquidy, and it's definitely not going to do any pressure in there. So yeah, this is just a bad shot. I just wasted the last bit of coffee. I'm gonna drink this though. So instead of that, I'm just gonna back flush it. Be right back. Okay, now with the blind filter installed into the portafilter, we're gonna back flush the machine, and as you can see, no water coming through the sides, through the E61 group head or anything like that. There's definitely more than 8 bars. There's 9 bars of pressure right now inside the group head, and no leaks or anything like that. And now, good splash, perfect. You really want to see that, especially when you're back flushing. You definitely want to clean everything inside. I mean, the E61 group head is now completely clean, so it's nothing gonna come out through there. We're just back flushing the last shot that I just did, which is basically nothing in there. And there you have it, ECM Technica working once again, getting to full bars of pressure, this thing not sneezing, and more smoother than before. Thank you for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.